Most of the students has doubt in 44th one, right? Correct. So this has been deleted in the syllabus. Radioactivity. Okay. So atoms and nuclear chapter, this is deleted. So if the same kind of radioactive or something will come, kindly attempt, you'll get the marks. Okay, for this. And then let me check the other question. I think it's 47, I think so. 47th question. So semiconductor chapter, yeah, I think I'm getting some answers. D. Yeah. Already I'm getting the answers here. Yeah. So they're asking what is IZ? So guys, I think simple thing only this also. Let me draw it here. This is my current I. I is equal to what? IZ plus IL. I is equal to IZ plus IL. They are asking me what is IZ. Semiconductor questions will be very, very simple only. IZ is equal to what? I minus IL. So first of all, I have to remove option C. This will not be our answer. And what is my current I is equal to? IL anyway, I got it here. Correct? IL anyway, I got it. Even if you don't see, the thing is, even if I explain you how we are getting, also you'll still get confusion. What is my I? It is basically difference between what? V naught and VZ by R, right? Minus IL. So minus IL also is there. So only this option D is only having minus IL. Is it clear? No need to do even full thing. Just see the options and mark it. We are using KCL for this. KCL only we are using it. Don't further do any analysis. Is it clear? Let me check with everyone. Anushri, Hasini, Kaustub, Nidhi, Pranav, Prithvi, Abhilash. Is it clear? I think Nidhi had this doubt, I think so. Okay, perfect. Yeah. So, how many of you face difficulty in doing the papers? Difficulty, kind of. Kaustub, I think Kaustub has told me. Abhilash, I think everyone is having a little bit of difficulty. Okay, not only one student, everyone will have a little bit of difficulty. Okay, so it's every time you come across something new. Fine. So this is almost for every student, it is the same thing. It's nothing new. Okay. So I just want to tell you that, see, at least we are conducting the classes over here. So there are a lot of students sitting at home and studying by themselves. Correct? Yeah. And some of them studies things which are not even required in the entrance exams because they don't know what to study also. So you're getting the point here. So don't worry. Only thing is you should not give up. That's the only thing I will tell you. Okay. See, again in entrance examination, just like you're attempting an exam over here, with that same mentality only you have to go. Okay. For example, if I take COMEDK, let me just clear these things. See, suppose in COMEDK out of 180, let us assume that we are getting only 45 correct. Out of 180, how much are getting? Only 45 we are getting correct. Okay, so then also our rank will be what? Around 80 to 90,000. I'll just put it as 90,000. I'll put 45 marks out of how much? This is, yeah, out of 180. In the sense, PCM combined. Okay, so I don't want to talk about KCET as of now. Okay, so what happens in this COMEDK exam is people who are writing KCT will also apply, correct? People who are applying, people from other states also will apply, correct? But any student, let us take from other state, if anyone is having more than a rank of 20,000 or something, let us assume 30,000, then they will always feel that it is not a good rank. Other state or even Karnataka, whatever it is, more than 30,000, everyone will feel what? It is not a good rank. So last year, still remember, let me check whether I have his COMEDK rank. He was from West Bengal. Let me see his thing. And then if I can share it, it'll be fine, I think so. Let me just clear everything. Let me stop the share. Just give me a minute's time, just opening my WhatsApp. I don't know why my WhatsApp is not loading. Let me check. Yeah, finally I think it came. So I think it will take 1 or 2 minutes. Let it get loaded. Then I think I will share you. So yeah, I think you can now see the thing, right? So he has got 59 actually last year COMEDK out of 180. Okay. And then let me see. This is the PDF. So you can see the rank, right? The percentile and overall percentile. It's not the mark actually, overall percentile. I'm sorry about the mark 59 percentile, which means you're better than 59% of students who wrote the exam out of 100. So his rank has come to 4,000, 42,783. Okay, I think everyone is able to see it. Let me know in the chat option. Yeah, perfect. So if I just take his physics, chemistry, and maths, because everyone is built differently. Yeah. Okay. So 59 percentile. Okay. So 42,783 is the rank. Now I think he has got into, after this registration and everything. First, I think he has got into ISC in Cambridge. Then I told him to go for round 3. Then what? Then he got A and MLN, AI and data science and CMR. That's it. Okay, so you have to wait till the rounds. So those are having tensions and everything. I'm just showing you the actual thing. Because I don't want to show you the guys who's getting the top marks over here. Okay. Because 42,000 is considered not good actually. But the thing is, end of the day, he was able to secure AI and data science. No, no, the course which he liked. Okay. But for some of the students here, I will only be picking up the courses. I think those students know me also. Okay. So again, see, for some students, I'll just ask them what they want, let them pick it up. But someone who I know personally, I will tell them that you pick this course that is best for them. You got the point. Hmm. So one more thing is, don't take any stress or be relaxed. How you write an exam here? If I'm giving you some KCET exams or COMEDK exam, how you write with that same thing you write it over there. Don't get any panic. You got the point. With the same intensity, same relaxation, you write it there. Then you will be able to excel. But once you take the tension that okay, KCET is there, COMEDK is there. If you take that exam pressure within you, then it will be a big thing. Just go there, write it like a normal test. You have written more than 2000 tests in lifetime. Go there and enjoy. Okay. So I just wanted to share one more thing. Okay. So when I was working previously, the only way to get promotion is either you have to do well in tests. Okay, then our grade and the pay level will be more. Okay. Again, it is an MCQ thing, or else you have to be best performer. So by the time I was actually taking classes, I only go to office very limited time, and I work also very little. Okay, because my passion was teaching. But the thing is that since I know how to do MCQs and all the elimination techniques, I have cleared that MCQ test also. So I got to the next level automatically. You got the point. And one more thing is I have not studied also. I didn't update myself. Again, in IT, we have to update every time. But still, I was able to do well because I just took it just like a normal exam. Just like we'll mark the options and go, right? Correct? Little bit kind of elimination techniques and little bit application level, that's it. But I took it very lightly. So don't take it in your head. Okay. And one more thing is 2 to 4 is the class timings. I think you know it. But if any student is having difficulty to stay at home, kindly come here before also. From 12 p.m. Don't come much before than that. From 12 p.m. you can come. Okay. I hope it's clear for everyone. So once I come down, I'll clarify all your doubts. No. Okay. Yeah.